Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make this Origami Christmas wreath. Here I have used 4 red and 4 green color papers. This is a modular origami. We need 8 modules to create this model. Keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the cross crease. Here I have used 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. Now bring these two sides to the center crease. To create a kite base. Then open the flaps, then create the kite base in all the 4 corners of the square. Here you can see 2 cross creases are intersecting. Bring this tip to this intersection point and make a new crease only in the center to create a triangle over here. Repeat the same thing on all the 4 corners. Now you can see a square here. Now the pre-creasing is done. Now go according to the pre-creases and create a triangle as shown. Now bring this tip to the sidewards, align with the center line and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now open the flap and bend it in and make a pre-creasing. Open it and then bring 2 sides like this and collapse the model as shown. Repeat this step on the other side too. Now here you can see 2 points. So lift the flap and fold it till that points and make a new crease. Now bend the triangle and align with the bottom triangle and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Then create a mountain fold in this point. Then flatten the model like this. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Use little bit of glue on these two flaps. One module is done. We need 8 such modules to create the wreath. Now let's assemble the module to create the wreath. Origami wreath is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.